Hello first grade friends. In this video, we will be reading the informational text Measuring Weather. This can be found on pages 106 through 108 in your Journeys textbook. Measuring weather is an informational text. An informational text gives facts about a topic. Find facts about weather in this article. The text focus of measuring weather are graphs. A graph is a drawing that uses numbers, colors, pictures, or symbols to give information. What does the graph on page 108 show? Let's start on page 106. 106. Measuring weather. There are different tools for measuring weather. Have you ever heard of a windsock? It shows which way the wind blows. A rain gauge measures how much rain falls. A large storm will bring a lot of rain. A thermometer measures temperature. Temperature is how warm or cool something is. On a hot day, you and your friends might like to ride bikes or play ball. On a cold day, you might want to put on a coat and play in the leaves or build a snowman. When you know the temperature, you know what to wear. Look at the bars across the graph. Each bar shows the temperature for a day. Which day was the hottest? Which day was the coolest? What was the temperature on the second day of the week? Let's answer those questions together. First, which day was the hottest? To see which day was the hottest, I would look for the longest bar. The blue bar is the longest. It's almost touching the line that goes with the number 70, representing 70 degrees. So, Wednesday was the hottest day. Next, they want to know which day was the coolest. For this, I would look for the shortest line. The yellow line is the shortest. It goes halfway between 40 degrees and 50 degrees. The yellow bar is linked to Thursday, so we know that Thursday was the coolest day. They want to know what was the temperature on the second day of the week. We can start at the top of the list of the days of the week and move down to the second. The second day of the week is Tuesday. If we slide our finger across the bar, we can see that the line reaches between 50 degrees and 60 degrees. We could say that the temperature was probably around 55 degrees on Tuesday. Let's look at page 109, 109. Compare texts. Now that you have read The Kite from Days with Frog and Toad and Measuring Weather, I would like for you to choose one compare text activity to complete. Text to text. Write to describe. Think about what you learned in measuring weather. What was the weather like when Frog and Toad flew a kite? Write about it. Text to self. Tell where you live. Draw a picture that shows the different kinds of weather in your state. Tell about it. Text to world. Compare stories. Frog and Toad like the outdoors. How is the garden from lesson 21 like the kite? How is it different? How do the characters act? Lesson 21 can be found in the Unit 5 Journeys textbook. You can complete this assignment on a separate sheet of paper, on your class dojo student portfolio as a journal entry, or on the Think Central website.